Musamseleku spent a lot of money on Macele than other wives. Musamseleku buy everything for Macele, even the clothes, food, everything, the properties. But when it comes to other wives, especially Makumalo, Musamseleku didn't do anything for Makumalo, or maybe he thinks that Makumalo can afford herself. But to Mayeni and Mangwabe, that's why you saw Mayeni and Mangwabe, they don't want to spend their money. They know that when they started want to help Musamseleku to pay the house bills and grocery, Musamseleku is going to relax, not doing anything for them like what he did to Makumalo. Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't give a joke to Musamseleku. They can tell him that you have to pay the bills, you have to pay car insurance, everything, especially Mayeni. And now the demand is high because Musamseleku bring Makwela is the evidence that Musamseleku can afford to take care of them. Musamseleku bring Makwela in their lives. Musamseleku didn't do anything for Makumalo or to pay the bills or something, but he decided to bring another wife. Musamseleku was asking Makumalo to help him to pay car insurances for other wives. It shows that he can't take care of them like that. But now he decided to aid another wife. Musamseleku takes care of Makwela, but he doesn't take care of Makumalo. It's very painful thing. That's why sometimes you can blame those wives, Mangwabe and Mayeni. They are right for not using their salaries. If Musamseleku can dead or anytime, those wives, guys, they can afford to pay the bills, but they don't want to use their money because Musamseleku spend more money on Macele more than other wives.